Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly Forex Forecast. So I tried to pick up some pairs for upcoming week, which was a quite difficult job because the market is right now in the areas where we have to wait a little bit for continuation of the late trends or possible bigger retracement, but not those scenarios are still not confirmed, so that's why we still have to wait. I pick up some pairs which might be still good to follow them and see if we have some opportunities. I also didn't trade last week, so there will be no weekly live trading room summary, so I hope that this week we'll get something also to trade, if not on the Forex, maybe on the indices. And before I jump into charts, I would like to invite you to free event which I organized on 21st of May at 7 p.m. London time, and the topic will be decoding price action. And during this event I would like to explain more about market movement, how to spot a trend, how to spot range earlier, because I see that a lot of traders have big trouble with that. And I will also focus on the analysis on the higher time frames, and I will show you why this is important to check them before you go to day trading and even scalping. Okay, so a link to this event, to this website, you will find below this video. Here below you will find some more details about this event. Here is the video, here is our workshop plan, and if you want to sign up, it's completely for free. You can just fill up this form, put your name, put your email, click join now, and you should receive also a welcome email to your mailbox. If not, also please check spam or just contact me. So now let's go directly into the charts, and the first pair is EURAUD, and here, as you can see on the weekly chart, after period of this range, price is pushing down. I had this short trade here from last week, but I was stopped out here of the retracement. Price reacted, and I will show you where. Now we have this situation that this might be possible, like lower high, and price will drop and continue to go down on the weekly chart. If this happens, of course, this is our area of the support where price might to stop, and then we have another level down here. So let's go to lower time frames to see what is happening. As you can see here, price make this retracement, and this retracement stopped me out, but this was a profitable trade, and after this retracement price bounced and is continuing to go down. So right now we can look for some retracements and late entries in this direction of the daily chart. So if we go to 4-hour chart, this is area where I took the trade here, and this was nice profit, but you see I trailed stop loss, price kicked me out here and went down again. Of course, this was area where we could look for another possible short scenarios. It's normal that we have retracement, that at some point price will kick us out. On the 1-hour chart, you have very tiny short 1 to 3 here. So right now what we need to do is to just wait for some retracements and look for late entries right now. So we have this trend line retracement on the 4-hour chart. Of course, this is always the best option here to 36 trend line short scenarios, or we go to 1-hour time frame. And of course on Friday we have NFP, so we have those spiky candles. But if price retrace here, short scenarios on the lower time frames or 1-hour chart late target this, it's around 150 pips. It's still a good idea. Next is Euro Yen. Euro Yen, basically yen pairs behaves more or less the same. We had very strong up move and very big drop. I have on my watches Euro and USD Yen, but analysis you can apply to all of them. I just pick up those because in my opinion they are the best for me. So as you can see, weekly chart, this up and down move, but we are still in the very strong uptrend. As you can see, this is our weekly trend line. So if the retracement happened from the weekly perspective, 36 and this line is our goal, and then we'll be looking for possible next bounce or breakout and maybe trend change. If I would like to find some resistance on this pair on the monthly chart, you will see that price hit already the very strong resistance area, as you can see here. Yes, it was from the 2007. We had the spike. Also, this is monthly chart, so you see that on the monthly price was just moving up. So I think there might be the reason for price to, you know, make this bigger retracement, but we will see. Okay, monthly chart is big time frame, so we still have to wait for weekly confirmation, but definitely price spiked on the very important resistance. If we go to daily chart, we have this daily trend line, and price is sitting right now here. So what we can do, there is also area of the support, as you can see here. So what we can do, our price will still bounce. Sorry, still bounce. Our price still bounce here and will continue to go up to retest maybe this, maybe the highest point, or we'll just create lower high and make this deeper retracement, or we will have a stop and price will still breaks and still continues in the bigger retracement here. So if we look for next area of possible support zone on the daily chart, for me this would be good level for price to make some stop, and then of course we have weekly level together with the daily level here. So this is very nice, and basically this support is like also here, yes, on the daily chart. So even this I think will be better because it's more visible and it's in the middle, so we can leave this. So now what we would like to see is or you see price just stopped here, broke and just stop. So I prefer to wait for breakouts. Clearly see that price is breaking this or this level, so I want to see that price is playing around here and then look for possible opportunities. There is also no reason to trade here because price is in the range, so just wait for price to go up or down, and then you will have a clearer idea where price might to go. GBPUSD, similar to EURAUD, there is also momentum here, and the next area of the support is down here. So price right now is pointing down, so we might to get a situation that price will drop and continue to move to this area of the support. And then we will see what price will do. Do we have breakout and continuation, or possible bounces and reactions? Because we also have this trend line, so maybe price will stack here on the weekly chart between these two levels, and then of course we will be trading in the range from the weekly perspective, and we will be waiting for breakouts and to see clean direction. So if we go to daily chart, also daily chart, you see it's pointing down. The difference here is that we have bigger space for this target. However, now we also have daily area of the support close to the price. As you can see, price is basically retesting this this area here. You see, this is the support. This is, like, I would say, lowest point of the support. So we might to have reaction, or price will simply break this and continue to drop. So like on the EURAUD, we want to wait for retracement, and after retracement we want to sell this. 4-hour chart retracement, lower time frame entries, or 1-hour chart retracement and still lower time frame entries, or 1-hour chart directly to sell. Then you have to manage your positions around this zone, just in case if price decide to make some bigger retracements and then again drop. GBPUSD dollar, it's still weekly charts, it's still below the 36 EMA. It's still trying to point down, as you can see on the weekly chart. We didn't have EMA crossover yet, but it seems like, you know, price is making lower lows. We don't have confirmation of lower high right now, but it still seems like a possible short scenario. Price spike here, so maybe we'll get continuation, then we'll have confirmations. At least for now, it for me looks like a selling opportunity. This is support. This is the trend line which we have, as you can see here. So I expect for price to go down. Daily chart is also interesting because we have this big spike. Of course, daily trend line was broken. broken. It price just spiked here, so this is interesting for me. If this holds, of course I would like to still look for short scenarios after breakout of this 2-3 line and then selling opportunities. And long-term target is down here. Short-term target, of course, is the previous bottom with this area of support, as you can see here. So this is what we can get. So now we have to wait a little bit for price to break this trend line with the 36 EMA. So now it will be patience game for a GBPUSD. Now definitely I would like to see that price is creating something here, and then I would like to try to sell it. If price continue to go up, we might also try to get those longs here, but I'm not so sure yet, because if price decide to go up, there will be no clean situation for me anymore. It will be again like up and down move. So that's why I'm more interested to go and sell this. USD-yen, like I said, yen pairs are similar. As you can see here, now we had breakout of this resistance, very strong, and now price again it broke and now it's retracing. So this is our weekly trend line. Price might of course retrace finally to this area, 36 trend line. Then we will see if price decide to drop again, or we'll get some reactions. But on the daily chart now we are currently sitting on the 36 EMA and almost around the trend line. So it will be like on the euro yen, or we wait for breakout of this level, and then for me this will be possible confirmation for this bigger retracement, or we still wait for price to react around this zone, which also is support area, and then long scenarios and possible buys for another continuation of this late move, double top, lower high, or new higher high and higher low. We will see. So as you can see here, we had this big spike here after NFP, and we have also this line. So basically, ideally, we want to wait for breakout of this or breakout of that. And if you are interested to do day trading, scalping, if there is a room, you can wait for retracement to the 36, to the trend line. Short scenarios target this. You see 250, 300 pips, so that's why it's possible to do this. 1 hour chart is not giving us much right now, so I would wait for some bigger retracement to this area. You see on the 1 hour chart this trend line looks a little bit cleaner, so this area, and then short scenarios. And the last one is gold. And weekly chart still pointing up, as you can see. We have this trend line here. So if we zoom out, more or less, of course, levels are exactly the same like from last analysis. The difference is that here price is making red candle, which might indicate retracement. First stop is always 12 EMA, then of course we will look for this area. If we go to daily chart, right now daily retrace and is sitting around the 36 EMA, so this might give us possible bounce and another continuation. However, if this is broken, then we can expect this possible retracements. If I look for daily trend line, the only line which I can find is here, but you know, it's not so a great line, only with the 2 spikes. So the next area of the support is sorry, here. Let me just draw it here. So this might also give us good target if price decide to go and sell it. However, this is not so perfect for me. I would still aim first weekly levels like 12 and 36 EMA. So now what we can do, we have to wait. Price is again struggle between those 2 levels. Okay, so whenever price breaks that, we look for buys and we try to target this resistance. Whenever price breaks this support, then we have this level on the daily chart together with this trend line here. Those are the 2 zones where price might retrace, and then or we'll get some reactions, or price will simply break this and we will get deeper retracement of the weekly chart. So we will see. So guys, that's all about Forex. And again, I would like to invite you to my free event. I will organize at 21st of May at 7 p.m. London time, where I explain exactly price action movement. Below this video in the description you have link to this website. Here you can watch a video where I explain more details, or if you scroll down you'll find same video here and my workshop plan with some explanation. And if you are interested, just go below, and here is the sign up form. It's completely for free. Leave your name, email, click join now, and then check your email, because you should receive your invitation to this workshop. And basically what I would like to cover here is how to find a good market condition for high probability trades, because this is the most difficult part for most of the traders, because if the market is good, then everything is fine, but the key aspect is to understand where market is changing and spot those changes quite fast, and then simply wait patiently for market to build again some momentum and some new opportunities. And many traders simply, if they do day trading, scalping, they jump in immediately to the lower time frames without checking higher time frames, which can filter a lot of noise. So that's why my idea also is to show you how to make this analysis going from the higher time frames to lower time frames, how to spot the trends, how to spot the ranges, how to a little bit easier and faster identify those market changes. So again, just sign up here, leave your details, and I hope to see you on 21st of May. Thanks, and see you soon. Bye.